Today we're going to be doing a shrimp dish. We're going to be taking our shrimp and we're going to be peeling them off, and then we're going to be sauteing them in a little bit of salt with some oil, with some ginger and some garlic. We're then going to be putting that off to the side so the shrimp won't be piping hot, but they'll be a little bit cool. Around that, we're going to be taking some potatoes and we're going to be boiling those. We're then going to drain them and we're going to be cooking them with some peas. And in with these peas, we're going to be cutting some onion, some ginger and garlic. We're going to be cooking that all together, and then we're going to be spicing it with some curry powder, some turmeric, and some cayenne. So it should be sweet and a little bit spicy. We're going to plate, and we're going to put the shrimp on top, and we're going to be adding a little bit of cilantro to that.